So I want to take a moment today to talk to you about this air conditioner condensing unit. You may or may not be able to see this, but I can see it clear as day. The pad's out of level, meaning it's slanted down this way. And what happens is, if you can't see the slant, you can see the rust on the motor housing. Notice that the rust is on this side and not the other side. Over there it's good. This side it's not. It's because of the way that motor sits in there. It's overheating on that side because it's tilted. This condition will eventually cause that motor to fail. In addition to that, this unit is missing its insulation down here. That insulation is important. This is the insulation, the remaining little bit right there. It's just a black foam that goes around that. You can get ice blocks in these areas over time, especially on a really hot day and it's really humid out. When this pump is going for an extended period of time, these lines get really cold and they'll condense and form ice blocks around there. The ice blocks can eventually crush the fittings, causing a leak. You're not guaranteed to get a leak, but or the ice block for that matter, but it does happen, and I have seen it several times. So it's just if you've got your own situation or your own house and you want to take a look at your own air conditioner and pad, see how that's out. Those are some of the major defects that we find. This one's obviously got other issues. It's getting older. You can see where plants have gotten up into here in the past. These weeds will restrict the airflow, causing this to not be as efficient as it could be. You want this to be free from obstructions and have free airflow so that the air can move through there and get exhausted out and cool your refrigerant. They actually make a comb for these. You can buy them at, sometimes you can buy them at local home improvement stores. Sometimes you need to go to an actual HVAC company who sells parts, in which case they might not be open to the public. But there's a comb that goes in between these fins and you can just comb those out. So your HVAC installer could fix those for anyone when they come out to service it. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful,